Hey everyone, so I'm not sure if people still watch or like unboxing videos, but I recently got my Amex Platinum card from Schwab and I figured might as well do it. I saw other folks were doing unboxing videos, so I figured it wouldn't hurt to make one. So full disclosure, I already opened mine, but I still did it back up just so I could have my information and do an unboxing on camera. So for starters, it's a pretty cool box that it comes in. It came essentially overnight, so I applied for the card about 2 days ago and I got it yesterday. And by the time I upload this video, it probably would have been a week, but just to give you a perspective on timing, it's pretty cool. Amex really does care about their customers getting their product as soon as possible. So overnight delivery, not too bad at all. So let's get into it. So just to kind of peel that box again real quick, open it up. And you get some, literature that pretty much no one reads or cares about, but you get that. And then right away you see the card. Now, they used to, on previous Amex Platinum cards, give you some sort of little gift or something. It used to come in this little wooden piece. I don't really use it for much other than a paperweight, but I guess you could put your iPhone or iPad on here, and then the card would come on yours. So it's a pretty nice little piece. They don't do that anymore, obviously. This is all you get. So here's the card. It's pretty nice. They changed the lettering to brown. I don't know if you can see that now. It used to be black. There are, I guess, mixed opinions on that. I think it's fine, doesn't really matter. And then the really nice thing is they add this little member since area to kind of show that they care about loyalty to the brand. And then, like I said, this was from the Schwab, so it's slightly different from the Platinum, but in terms of the regular Amex Platinum, but the benefits and all the card features are essentially the same. So you lift this thing up, and you're gonna get just some basic literature here, just a little welcome message. And then they start going into the benefits. So this one talks about the Equinox credit and the Saks credit. I made a video earlier talking about the new benefits, but just to kind of recap, $300 in annual credit, $25 per month. Like I said, there's not a lot of Equinox gyms around, so personally I find it kind of useless. You can use it on their like online membership subscription that you can kind of access home workouts and stuff like that. And then the Saks credit, $50 twice a year. Then you also have lounge access and Uber rides, so $200 a year, $15 a month, and then $20 in December, or an extra $20 in December, and a bunch of different lounge access options that you have here. Personally, like I said previously, my very favorite one is the Centurion Lounge, but you do have access to other lounges as well, which is pretty nice in case your airport does not have a Centurion Lounge. And then lastly, more credits and then earnings. So $400 in travel credit, really awesome perk. It's broken out, and $200 back for using it at the hotel collection or the fine hotels and resort, I guess, portal on the Amex Travel website. So not a bad deal. You get an instant $200 credit. And then you also have $200 airline fee credit. This used to be great because you could use it for gift cards with these airlines and be able to essentially use it directly for your airfare. However, now, as of 2 years ago, they stopped allowing that, so you can only use it for incidentals. So things like bags and any other incidental fee. And in terms of earnings, the big one, if you want to maximize, is using it at amextravel.com because you'll get 5 times points. So this is basically it. Nothing really fancy about this. It's just a nice little box. And then, you get your Platinum card. So overall, not too bad. If you guys have any questions about the Platinum card, please leave them in the comments below. So thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Nothing fancy, just a little unboxing here. If you do like the card, consider using my referral link below. And if you have questions, like I said, leave them in the comments below. And if you do like these videos, please consider liking and subscribing. So thanks guys.